Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's do the analysis for Bank Nifty for today, that is 16th of May. Today there was a downside movement in the beginning itself. We were expecting a break of all-time high today, but unfortunately the break was not done yet. Uh, Bank Nifty movement was mostly on the above the pivot line that you can see here, 43,963. But in the end, Bank Nifty breached the line and reached to the yesterday's high, that is 43,821. Yesterday opening, sorry. So it touched and reversed from there, and as of now I can see still there is a scope of reverse in the Bank Nifty in the coming session. We can't say that Bank Nifty has gained all the momentum and used all the momentum, and it's the rally towards the all-time high is over, because Bank Nifty is still above 43,800, which is a very crucial mark. And tomorrow, if we see a gap down, then maybe you can buy some more, as that this will be considered as a dip. So tomorrow if you see 43,300, then 43,500, 43,300, then that is a good opportunity to purchase some more. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and day after tomorrow is expiry, so I'm expecting Bank Nifty to regain the momentum and proceed towards the all-time high. Today Bank Nifty tried to move around 140, but that was not enough to go above the 151.80 mark, which is the all-time high of Bank Nifty. So in total the session was uh, traded around 43,800 and 44 actually. Only few times it went above 44. So the overall trend, buys and sell was of 200 points mostly. And it is much more clear now that Bank Nifty has a strong support at 43,800, which should not be breached in a next one or two session. Tomorrow, as I can see, globally the markets are down, and future is trading in a negative, as well as the SGX Nifty is trading in a negative of around 0.2 or 3.323%. So that should not impact our Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty momentum is very good, and tomorrow if we see good moves from the PSU banks, then definitely Bank Nifty will go above all-time high. So this is the analysis for today, and for tomorrow the levels for buying and selling for the upside and downside will be like 43,880 was the closing for today, somewhere around 43,880 or 43,900. So again 44 will be a crucial mark. If Bank Nifty go above 44, then 44 to 151 will be our first as the all-time high target. 44 250 will be your second target, and 43 400 will be your third target in the upper side. For the downside, 43 800 is the crucial point. Below that, 43 600, 43 500, and 43 300 are the three levels in the downside trajectory. Overall trend is good. I'm expecting Bank Nifty to may again trade within the range of 44 and 43 500. But if at all you see any momentum towards any of the side, then you can take a position of that side. Tomorrow on Wednesday, and tomorrow in the night I'll suggest the calls, placements, and trade levels for the expiry week. So till then, just keep supporting me, guys. Keep liking me, keep sharing my videos, and subscribe if you have not done so, and ask others as well to subscribe my channel to stay updated with all the content and all the related news of banks and bank nifty. Till then, have a good night. Thank you.